Don't boil eggs directly in water. Try this simple 5-star hotel trick. Most people boil eggs the same way every time. They put eggs directly into water, turn on the stove, and hope for the best. But many times, the eggs crack, the shells become messy, or the eggs are hard to peel. What if you could boil eggs perfectly, just like in a 5-star hotel, using a very simple trick? In today's video, I am sharing an easy method to boil eggs without cracking, with clean shells and a smooth finish. This method helps the eggs cook evenly and gives you soft whites and creamy yolks. The best part is that you don't need any special tools. You only need basic kitchen items and a little care with timing and temperature. First, instead of putting eggs directly into boiling water, start with warm water. Take a pot and add water, then gently warm it before adding the eggs. This helps reduce sudden temperature change, which is the main reason eggs crack. When eggs go from cold to very hot water quickly, the shells break. Slow heating keeps the shells safe. Next, gently place the eggs into the warm water using a spoon. Do not drop them. Keep the heat medium, not too high. Let the water slowly come to a gentle boil. This allows the eggs to cook evenly from the inside. Cooking eggs slowly gives better texture and prevents rubbery whites. Now comes the timing. For medium boiled eggs, cook for about 7 minutes. For fully cooked eggs, 9 to 10 minutes is enough. Do not overcook, because overcooked eggs become dry and difficult to peel. Hotels always focus on perfect timing, and that is the secret. After cooking, remove the eggs and place them immediately in cold water. This step is very important. Cold water stops the cooking process and helps the shell separate from the egg. Let the eggs rest in cold water for a few minutes. When you peel them, the shell will come off easily and smoothly. This simple method gives you clean, beautiful eggs every time. They are perfect for breakfast, salads, or snacks. Once you try this trick, you will never boil eggs the old way again. If you enjoy easy kitchen tips that make cooking better, you will love this trick. Comment below and tell me what simple cooking tip you want to see next.